class 7, open up your books on chapter Invention of Vita Worm. Right? So now what this chapter is all about, invention of Vita Worm. The chapter is about some mysterious things in the world which if we eat, they bring change in our age. It means the person who is too young will become old and the one who is old, it will become young. Actually, this is not the complete part. Actually, it is a part of a book and very interesting one, that how the invention of some rarest drugs has taken place. So open up your books, please. Chapter Invention of Vita Worm. Vita Worm. Who are the oldest people you know, and what are the oldest things you have in your house, in your city, town or village, and how old are they? Yes. So the writer, in order to make it in context with this, so what he is going to write, so for online students I am displaying it because you have joined later on. Second last boy, stand up please. Stand up. Who are the last? So there are many old things in your house. Some are 10 years old, some are 20 years old, and your grandparents, they may be above 90 in few houses, right? Last period. Yes. Mr. Willy Wonka, stand up please. Please stand up. Stand up. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. So what Mr. Willy Wonka has done, he has invented a special type of thing to eat, which is called as Wonka White. So what is the function of Wonka White? It makes people younger. Underline it in your books. What does Mr. Willy Wonka invent? He has invented Wonka White, which makes people younger. So some people disappear because their age becomes minus. Yes, suppose if it is making a person 10 years younger, and if you give this Wonka White to a person of 8 years, so naturally he will vanish because uski age to -2 ho gayi na after 0. So one person actually becomes -87, which means he's got to wait 87 years before he can come back. It means how much less age can be given? 87 years. Okay, after 87 years, the person will come to his present age. Right? So, Mr. Wonka said, so once again, I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Rolled up my sleeves means get ready for my work. And I started my work. Once again, I squeezed my brain. Squeeze my brain. Squeeze means to press. But here, squeeze my brain means I made my brain to work. Once again, I made my brain to work. Searching for the new recipe, I had to create age to make people old, older, and oldest. Haha. So he said, now, next one, Pawan, bring that child please to me. So what he has said, he said, now this time what I'm going to do, bring him to me. So what he is going to do, he is going to invent a rare drug, okay, a rare thing to eat. Come here. Okay, rare drug or rare thing to eat, which can create the age of a person again. Okay. Afterwards, I'll discuss. What is the oldest living thing in the world? I cried for now. The ideas were beginning to come. So now what happened? when he started working, number of ideas they were coming to his mind. What is the oldest living thing in the world? So he asked that what is the oldest living thing in the world? It means that he was looking for one of the oldest thing in the world. Stand up, please. And what lives longer than anything else? Do you know that which thing lasts very long in the world? Trees, they live thousands of years. Okay, so he was finding that oldest thing in the world. A tree, Charlie said. So Charlie said, who was working with Mr. Wonka, he said that it is a tree which lasts very long. Right, you are, Charlie. But what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir or not the oak, not the cedar. No, my boy. It is a tree called the bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Underline it, please. Bristlecone pine. Underline in your books. Bristlecone pine that grows on the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. So he asked Charlie. Charlie said, sir, Douglas fir or it can be oak. He said, no, my son. These are not the trees which live for much longer time. Actually, which tree lives for longer times? Bristlecone pine. Where it grows on the slopes of Wheeler Park in Nevada, USA. You can find bristlecone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. He said when you go to that Nevada in USA, you will find there the trees. You will find the trees there which are almost 4,000 years old. Stand up, you please. Come here. And what he said? He said that there are the trees which are almost how much old? 4,000 years. Yes, how much old are these? 4,000. Okay. Ask any dendrochronologist. Okay. You like and look that word up in the dictionary when you get home. Yes, this is the homework for you. Who is dendrochronologist? You will find the meaning. Let us see what you will find. Okay. Then, so that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. So Mr. Willy Wonka, Arjun, stand up. Stand up, please. So Mr. Willy Wonka, he sits up in his glass elevator. Elevator means sort of lift. So it is an imaginary world where Mr. Willy Wonka was living. He sat in his glass elevator, sort of lift, and has moved around the world. It is not a real one. Okay, imaginary one, and he sat in his glass elevator. He went around the entire world and he has collected the oldest things in the world. Which are the oldest things in the world he has collected? See, a pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. Pint of sap means, you know that some of the trees there is liquid which oozes out of white color, of different colors. Okay, and what he said, he has taken that pint of means one drop of sap, that one drop of sap from the bristlecone tree. What was the age of the bristlecone tree? The toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Drarovich. So then from the toenail, okay, he has also collected even a small part, clipping from the toenail of a farmer whose name is given. Why this farmer is special? This farmer is special because he was 168 years old. What was the age of that farmer? The egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. Yes. And he has also collected what he has also collected. An egg laid by 200 years old tortoise. Next, the tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. He has also what he has collected, tail of a 51-year-old जो horse था in Arabia. He has collected a tail of that horse. The whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets. What was the age of the cat? And from where the cat was? Whiskers. What are whiskers? You know the hair on the side of the cat. And the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. That's what? Okay, we will read afterwards. What he has collected? 3 Akriti, Suhana and Bhavya. Right? And on that side, the second last boy, Natik, your name? Stand up, please. Continuously, you both are talking. You please go at the last. Stand back. Yes. So now, he has also collected a tail of 207-year-old giant rat. Giant rat means a big rat, which was from Tibet. And then he has also collected an old flea, which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. Next, we will